Hello guys, I am Shubham from ShubhVed tutorial. This video is about sex determination in animals. Okay, in the previous video we learned about sex chromosomes. Before we start, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. One subscribe is equal to token of appreciation and your love towards the content. Okay, so let's get started. Basically, sex determination, as we saw, sex determination basically the three types of sexes. Okay, male, we know sexual dimorphism. Okay, now three types of sex: male, female, and hermaphrodite. Okay, hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means organism that exhibit male as well as female sexual organs. Okay, means both the sexes are present in the one organism. Okay, so basically in this hermaphrodite also there are two types: simultaneous, simultaneous, and sequential. Okay, simultaneous means they are female and male at the same time. Means organs are present simultaneously. Okay, in sequential, the sexes are like in the sequence. Means first they will exist some of the period in the as a female or male, and then they will change to another sex. Okay, right? Means it is a sequence type. One period they will be as female, and other they will be male, or vice versa. Right? Then the mechanism for sex determination are two types. Okay, first is genotypic. First is genotypic. These are the mechanisms. Genotypic, and second is environmental. In the genotypic, the genotype of the organism or chromosomes, basically chromosome number or absence of the chromosome, decide the sex of the animal. Okay, in the genotypic, and environmental, the environmental factors decide the sex of the offspring. So let's study them one by one. So basically in genotypic, presence or absence of chromosome or genotype of the offspring decide the sex of the organism as said. Okay, so in this there are mammals, mammals, birds, amphibians, right? Then most insects, then some reptiles and fishes. These are the examples of genotypic. Okay, sex determination. Then again in this there are four types of chromosomal sex determination. Okay, so first is XY system. XY system. XY system. We know in XY system females are homogametic. XX, right? Homogametic. And males are heterogametic because they are having two different gametes or chromosomes in the gamete X and Y, right? So this is the XY system. XY system is seen in mammals. Again, we know humans, then flies, many flies, and fishes. Males are heterogametic. Okay, all mammals, right? All mammals. So this is the first XY system. Then second system is the ZW. Okay, ZW. This is seen in birds. Okay, first we will discuss here males are homogametic. Males are homogametic, having double head. Homogametic. And females are ZW, heterogametic. Here the examples are birds, snakes, then butterflies, and some fishes. Got it? This is the example of ZW system. So this is basically chromosomal sex determination we are discussing. Then the third system is XO system. XO system seen in grasshopper. Okay, grasshopper means what? Again here also males only one X. We say XO, and females have two X. It is identical to the XY system. As such, males are having XO, females are having two double X. In the grasshopper, grasshopper. This is the example, right? Then the fourth is haplodiploid. Haplodiploid system. This is seen in honeybees. Honeybees. Okay. In this, fertilization of egg decide the sex of the honeybees. Fertilization of egg. Okay. So now let's see if this is fertilized. First unfertilized we will see. Unfertilized, then the offspring will result into male. Okay, unfertilized. And fertilized will result in female. Okay, so the unfertilized are known as haploid state, and fertilized are known as diploid. So diploid have two states of chromosome. They again get differentiated into, okay, basically in honeybees there are like males, drones, right? And here female, queen and worker. Okay, like this they get segregated, queen and worker bees. When the egg is diploid, means fertilized egg, okay, diploid state, then they will differentiate into queen and worker bees. Got it? Worker bees are said to be as imperfect female. Imperfect female. And queen is said to be as perfect female. Okay? Queen. Got it? That's it for this chromosomal sex determinant factor, that is genotypic sex determination. Now next factor is environmental sex determination. Okay, environmental factors that decide the sex of the organism are basically temperature, pH, right? Then interaction and seasonality, means dependent on season. Okay, so basically this temperature dependent is seen temperature dependent sex determination, in which temperature decides the sex of the offspring. This is seen most commonly from this environmental factors. Okay, so examples of this temperature dependent sex determinations, all crocodiles, all crocodiles. Then majority of turtles and few species of lizard show this type of temperature dependent sex determination. Okay, so basically what is this? In low temperature, the eggs get incubated, then we see one sex. Okay, and at high temperature eggs incubation, we see another sex. So this is how the sex is determined in these organisms. So basically, we don't know the exact molecular mechanism, but this is basically dependent on hormones. Okay, and one enzyme, important enzyme is aromatase. Aromatase. This converts the hormone testosterone to estrogen. Okay, this conversion results that change the sex of the animal. Okay, so testosterone to estrogen, this conversion is brought about by enzyme aromatase. This is a temperature sensitive enzyme. Okay, and the activity, aromatase activity, is higher in females. We see higher in females and low in males. Okay, so this is the environmental factor, environmental sex determination. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video we will discuss sex determination in mammals, the exact mechanism. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. Also follow us on all our social media pages, and you can join us on Telegram and stay connected for the latest updates. All links mentioned in the description section.